Hi guys, so I just found out why my phone storage is always full. If you're a creator who also get this kind of messages that I always get, it's okay, I understand. iPhone storage full every single time. Do you know how annoying that can be or how infuriating it can be? In fact, that has to be one of the reasons why I disappeared for almost a month because I just had to figure that out. So if you're a creator who films with her phone or his phone, you understand how annoying that can be, especially when you're in the middle of you're so into the video and you're talking, all of a sudden the message comes up, iPhone storage full. You understand how annoying it can be and how unmotivating it can also be, because you can just easily give up and be like, what is going on? Because that happens to me a lot of time. Then all of a sudden you find yourself deleting videos, deleting photos just to make space on your phone, so you can be able to film. Hence the reason why I came up with this video idea. I know that I'm not the only one suffering from this. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, my name is Cynthia Patrick. I'm a mom in her late 20s navigating life as a creator. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you for always showing up and coming back. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you things that I had to do in able to clear up space on my phone so that I can be able to film. So the first thing I want to talk about is the social media apps on your phone. Yeah, because when I was going through this problem, I went through my WhatsApp and I got to find out that, oh my goodness, my WhatsApp alone was containing a whole heap. It was just containing space, videos that I don't even need. All these videos that people post on their status, I'm like, oh my god, this is lovely, share to me. And they share to me, I repost it, and then I forget to delete it. It's occupying space. And a whole lot of voice notes and things that I don't even need on my WhatsApp, like a whole lot. WhatsApp, it's one of the most bulky apps. So what I did was I went over to my WhatsApp, I cleared all of that video that I don't need, that are just sitting there literally doing nothing, all the screenshots, all the necessary voice notes, and everything that are not important, like important documents to be saved. You know what I mean? So I cleared that up. Then Instagram, oh my goodness guys, I just found out this one just last week when I was struggling with this space issue. Do you know that on Instagram, if you like a post and you save it, the save option there, you save it on your phone, like you have a folder. Some people have various folders. For me, I have more than 20 folders on Instagram. Maybe I save this one, I title it hair, food, makeup, this, that. All those things you're saving, they are all occupying space on your phone. And you know what happened when I went over and deleted all of them? I deleted all the things that I don't need, all the saved things that have been there for like how many years. I deleted them. Guys, see space on my phone. See space on my phone. What you don't know, you don't know. So yeah, Instagram, Telegram. This one is another important one. Now, is it catch or cache or catch? On Telegram, we have something like clear cache, clear catch. I don't know. Let me know how you pronounce it or how you say it in the comment section. So what you want to do is go over to Telegram. You scroll all the way down. I'm going to put it on the screen here so you can see how I did mine. You go over there and you clear all the cache, all the data that has been piling up. That is exactly what it means. So you just clear them up, and that is the way you can also free up space on Telegram, so thereby having more space in your device. And again, funny enough, Telegram is not the only app where you can clear cache, catch, whatever.
Cache.
Now that brings me to the next one, which is CapCut. If you have CapCut on your phone, you already know that CapCut, the software alone, occupies a lot of space, if not 4 point something gigabytes alone, just having the app on your phone. Then, if you're addicting with it, you need to clear up cache catch on your phone. So yeah, it doesn't matter the addicting software that you're using, just make sure to clear all of them cache catch out of your phone. So TikTok, unsave things that you no longer need, unsave things that are not important for you so that you can make space. Now, if you do all of this and you're still finding it difficult to make space in your phone, I think it's time for you to go to your settings and offload apps. Offload apps that you need and you don't need just for the meantime, so that you can just have space to film your video or do certain things. That's another hack that I use whenever I'm filming and my space is like iPhone storage full. I just offload some certain apps that I don't need or I need. Then you can always reinstall it back. So yeah, that's another way. Now next is Google Photos. If you're not making use of this, please jump on it, because this is another fine feature. You can always upload your videos, your pictures onto Google Photos. I mean, it's there, it's secured, so that whenever you delete them, you don't regret and be like, oh my god, why did I delete this and I need it now? If you need it, you can always go back to Google Photos and get them back. So that is a very important feature. By doing all of this, trust me, you get nothing less than 10 gigabytes, if not more, on your phone. We can't talk about all of this without talking about your photo library. Go over to your photo library, delete videos, pictures, screenshots, everything that you're no longer using, everything that are not like important to you. Make sure to delete them so that you can create space. And same thing goes to apps on your phone. All these applications that are just sitting there for fancy, you need to delete them. Six, bro, you need to delete them. If I count the amount of things that I've screenshotted that I want to buy, oh my goodness, and it's just sitting there in my library just doing nothing. So all of these things are things that I had to do in order to create space for myself. So all of these things might not mean a lot to you, but honestly it's a lot, because all these things are eating up your space. These are a few things that I did in able to, help me fix my space problem. I've been suffering from this for the longest time, and I just had to take my time and be like, okay, you know what, let's solve this. Let's finally solve this problem. And after solving it, I'm like, you know what, I care about my people, and I'm also going to share it with you guys. And this is it. So if your phone is also stressing your destiny, comment me too in the comment section. And there are some things that I might not also remember. Please let me know down in the comments. I will really need it. I'm begging you, please. If there are other ways that that can help me solve the space problem, let me know down in the comments. I forgot to mention, if you did all of these things and your phone is still giving you issues, maybe it's time for you to upgrade your gigabytes. Maybe if you're using an iPhone, maybe from 64 to 128 or to 256, something like that. I don't know. You should, because this content creation was great. Alright, my loves, I'll see you on the next video, but for now, bye.